Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by securing the phone on a tripod and opening a manual camera app that records RAW. This gives you more data to work with. Once done, switch to airplane mode and disable screen glow so no stray light affects the frame. Set white balance to daylight, focus to infinity or tap a bright star, and dial a low ISO like 400 to reduce noise while keeping enough sensitivity for faint light. Now you balance shutter speed and ISO. If your app allows 5 30-second exposures, start at 10s and ISO 800, then adjust based on preview brightness. If the phone limits exposure, capture dozens of shorter frames to stack later. Stacking reduces noise and enhances stars. Make sure to use a remote trigger or a 2-second timer to avoid camera shake. And bracket exposures. Take several at different ISOs and lengths so you can pick the best in processing. Finish by importing RAW frames into a stacking app or desktop software to align and average images. This boosts signal and lowers noise. Once stacked, perform gentle curves and contrast adjustments, apply noise reduction, and sharpen stars without crushing the faint background. If you see blur or trailing, make sure focus was locked on a star, confirm the tripod didn't move, and retry with shorter exposures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.